Welcome back to Desi Travel Couple. I'm Mohit,
I'm Ishan.
and in this vlog, we are trying to do something different. Instead of the family vlog, we are two friends going on a backpackers trip to Sikkim.
And here, this time around, we're going to cover all the places of historic importance in and around Sikkim that we'll show in the vlog.
So mostly we'll be covering majorly of the North Sikkim area. So
Places like Guru Dongmar
Yeah.
Lake, Lachung, Nathula Pass,
MG Road Market.
MG Road Market. So we're going to cover all of that. Stay tuned with us.
Yes. Finally, after a long journey, we have reached Gangtok. So हमने दिल्ली से बागडोगरा के लिए फ्लाइट ली and from Bagdogra we went to Siliguri. Siliguri से हमने बस ली. So it's a very pleasant weather in Gangtok. And after checking into the hotel, now we'll be going towards the MG Road, जो कि माल रोड है गैंगटॉक की. Now let's see कैसा रहता है माल रोड का एक्सपीरियंस.
We are here on the MG Road. As you can see, this is the soul of Gangtok. Quite a lot of restaurants and cafes. Let us take you to one of them very soon.
MG Road of Gangtok is really, a hub of cafes. So this amazing board has caught our attention, finger licking crabs. So we are just about to check this amazing cafe that, we have heard that it serves really good seafood and crabs and all. And the ambience looks super cool. So let's come and let's see how it is. Ishan, what a cool entrance it has.
You bet.
This is Tashi Delic Cafe, and just look at this the amazing ambience it has. ऐसे देखने में लग रहा है कि आप किसी गोवा के किसी shack में आ गए हैं. So let's see how the food is. So guys, the place looks fabulous. मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर हम ढूंढते भी तो हमें इससे बेटर एम्बियंस गैंगटॉक में मिल पाती. Super cool ambience. There's live music playing. So we have ordered some beer and Ishan is going to order some food. So let's see what Ishan orders and how the food is.
Food menu seems to be pretty interesting. As we've been recommended, we've ordered crab Singapore, which is supposed to be a starter. Along with that, we've ordered pork fried momos and some beer to go along with it. We'll keep you posted for the taste. इस बार का vlog दोस्ती के नाम.
Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Good morning guys. So कल 20,000 steps चलने के बाद बैंड बजा हुआ था, but we had a very good sleep. And today
we are going to Lachen, and we will ensure that whatever points we cover in between in our journey, we'll cover all of them, showcase them to you, and we'll be sleeping over at Lachen.
so let's see Lachen along our way.
Along our way.
हम लोग लाचेन के लिए निकल गए हैं. वन थिंग यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल जब भी आप सिक्किम की कोई ट्रिप बुक करें, दैट यू हैव टू इन्फॉर्म योर ट्रैवल एजेंट बिफोर, क्योंकि सिंस इट्स एन आर्मी डोमिनेटेड एरिया, तो यहाँ पे हर जगह पे आपको परमिट पहले लेना होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप गैंगटॉक से लाचेन जा रहे हैं या गुरु डोंगमार जाना है, तो हर जगह के लिए आपको परमिट लेना होता है. सो यू हैव टू गिव योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रायर टू द ट्रैवल एजेंट सो दैट आपके वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रोसेस करा सकें. एंड आधार कार्ड डजंट होल्ड मच वैल्यू हियर. सो जो डॉक्यूमेंट यहाँ पे चलता है दैट इज़ आइदर वोटर आई कार्ड और ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस और योर पासपोर्ट. सो लेट्स सी कैसा रास्ता है लाचेन का. ओंगेल भूटिया जी, आपने बाईचुंग भूटिया का तो नाम सुना ही होगा. सो सर हमें लेके जाने वाले हैं लाचेंग एंड गुरु दोंगमार लेक.
Bull fucking shit, man. This is awesome. Sisters Waterfall, as you can see. This waterfall comes on the way from Gangtok to Laichung. This is called Seven Sisters because it falls in 7 stages. And there are 3 vantage points of this waterfall. Must see, very scenic.
ने बताया कि काफ़ी सीनिक वाटरफॉल है. आई मीन इसका जो पानी का फ्लो है दैट इज़ लाइक अमेजिंग. एंड पानी इतना साफ है. दिस इज़ अ प्योर लाइक अ नेचुरल स्प्रिंग वाटर. एंड वी कैन सी लोग यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी पानी भी पी रहे हैं. सो इट्स वन ऑफ द प्योरेस्ट वाटर, प्योरेस्ट मिनरल वाटर वन कैन फाइंड. Guys, हम लोग सेवन सिस्टर वाटरफॉल्स के सामने देयर इज अ शॉप. So we asked for mineral water, but what we got is like a bottle filled with the Seven Sisters waterfall. And guys, believe me, itna thanda, itna meetha pani. So it's like amazing.
En route to Lachen, this place is called Manul, and our cabbie bhaiya, Mr. Ongel Barbutia, suggested this place. इन्होंने स्पेशल हमारे लिए खाना बनवाया है, चिकन और ऑर्गेनिक साग. Homemade, specially made for us. So let's see how the food is. We'll give you a good review of the food as well. And we'd like you to see the kitchen here. It's a pretty home stay thing. It's not a proper restaurant, So just take a look and feel of the place. You'll see.
Ask ma'am what's her name.
She's actually getting shy, of the camera. So she's not. Just look at the kitchen. Just see the kitchen here. Just see the kitchen here.
Hello.
Hello. क्या नाम है आपका? Sukhmeet she is our cook for the day. Let's hope the food tastes well. We are very excited for the local food.
Waterfall की आवाज़ आ रही है. And it's surrounded by all these beautiful mountains. So एक बड़ी ambience and बड़ी chilled out जगह है. So we are in Manul Village, and Manul Village में Manul Khala नाम का ये home kitchen है, जहाँ पे हमारे लिए special Sikkimese meal prepare की गई है. इतनी peaceful valley, पीछे पूरी valley है, कहीं पे waterfall की आवाज़ आ रही है. ऐसी जगह पे अगर कोई आपके लिए एक local organic meal prepare करे तो उसका मज़ा ही अलग होता है.
Hoping for the best.
Yes, we are hoping for the best. We are really hungry and want to have the hot piping food.
The local made dal, papad, and some salad. Waiting for the main course to come. So we'll be back in a brief while. Dig in, bro. Dig in.
Thank you.
अरे वाह.
ये this is Tibetan saag.
Tibetan saag, हाँ जी.
Tibetan Sikkimese.
Sikkimese saag.
Sikkimese saag, Tibetan saag.
We're done with the meal here. We had good chicken curry. It was like local organic chicken and organic saag.
Papad and
salad, rice, sticky rice, and the dal.
Yeah. So exactly
Good food.
जैसा घर का खाना होता है, it was like that, and we really loved this Sikkimese saag. It was not at all spicy, but very good organic saag.
And not to forget the hospitality.
Yeah,
Of the two ladies, they have done
guys,
very well.
Lovely people in Sikkim. I mean, they're so down to earth, so humble. So that is the best part about it.
Munnal Khola is the name of the place.
Yes.
Must try. This is the owner. She's feeling shy. She was the one who's got us so good, such a lovely meal. Thank you so much for the meal, Didi.
Hello.
Thank you so much for the meal.
Thank you so much. મને શરમ પાડે એટલે કે છે
Waterfall. It's a beautiful place. One can see the crystal waters. I mean, it is so clear. There's no pollution, nothing. A beautiful place.
To the other side, this is the lower part of it. Look at the pressure of the water here. It is tremendous, and because of the pressure, the wind, it is so chilled. Must experience.
इतनी सुंदर जगह. It's a must visit place in Sikkim. Beautiful.
This where we are standing right now, this is the confluence of Lachen and Lachen. Lachen is coming from Lachen and Lachen is coming from Lachung. This Tista river is so long, it travels right back to Siliguri also.
Achha, so that's why there are two colors.
That's why there are two colors. Lachen has different color and Lachung has different color.
And guys, that's the Chungtham Dam. So this dam is really important for all the Sikkim majorly क्योंकि यहाँ से काफ़ी पानी maximum villages पे आ जाता है. लाचेन पहुँच गए. I mean it's an amazing बड़ी कमाल की जगह है. I don't know कैमरे के पीछे कैसा व्यू आ रहा है, but there is a valley behind. So it is all clouds one can see from here. There's a river also flowing there. So guys, after a beautiful drive, हम लोग फाइनली लाचेन पहुंच गए हैं, बट हमें नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड ना खा के हमारा मूड है कि कुछ ऑथेंटिक सिक्किमीज फूड खाएं. So somebody has just told us that there is a home kitchen that serves really organic wood-fired momos and some thupka. So आइए देखते हैं किस तरह का एक ऑथेंटिक किसी के घर के वहाँ पे जो किचन है उसका खाने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहता है.
Hi guys, so we are at Lachen. This is a local home kitchen, and this thing that you see is pretty interesting. It's a wood-fired oven, and it is like the staple where they keep themselves warm during winters, and also they cook food in it. If you see this, they have a lid to this. When they need warmth, they would store wood in this. They light it up. If they need warmth, they just cover it. And if they want to put something, they cook on this. So we're going to eat wood-fired momos. Very excited, and some thukpa too. Looking forward to review it.
What?